Welcome back to Art for the Future. I am Teacher Joe. Here in my hands I have something called a SeaScope. This is very similar to a telescope. You can even tell that by the name. But how it differs is it's designed to be used underwater to view sea animals, creatures and objects in the water itself. So I'm going to give you an example of how it works here. Just like a telescope, we look through the small end like this. And we see through the large end, and it magnifies the image at the other end, especially if it's a small image. So we can put it in our fish tank here. We have Cinderella the fish. I'll just hold her now. And we can look and we can see our fish swimming around. You can see them in all the glorious colours of the rainbow. And that's how the SeaScope, pretty much how it works. Let's take that out there. It uses batteries to magnify the image as well, and it also collapses into a small portable design as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.